internal audits don't have to be complicated. However, I think it's a good practice. What are your thoughts on that?
I believe it's fundamental to the management system to have some kind of look back on the system in place. Mm-hmm. Is it still relevant, practical, required, and to clean that up? Yeah. It's going to need cleanup. Yeah. It's going to need something, and it needs a look back, because what happens when organizations kind of, hey, I purchased this management system from some consultant, and now it's on the shelf. See my management system. Yeah. It's sitting there. 5 years later, it's still sitting there. And in 5 years, there've been lots of changes.
That's not continuous improvement, right?